Hi there, good morning. So today is February 21 and then today is our oath taking. So as you can see, nag-makeup ta rin no. So thanks to Mom Shay Jewelry. Mga talamig city karon and then mga 8 siguro na anlam pa sila. And then after ana is I will take you sa venue kung asa may mag-oath taking. See you!
Sige kay kana nakalakaw naman niya.
Guchimawa.
Ako lang itong ipato diha tawagan nato na ako. Sige Jan, thank you.
Yeah, sa dami.
School administrators for Region 7. The officials of the Philippine Association for Teachers and Educators of Region 7, former Executive Secretary and Advisor, Dr.
Upon the legally authorized
Professional teachers.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. You guys the 3 letters.
Wala dayan. Wala click mo.
Your seatmate.
Ask your seat. Okay, ikaw na.
Na teacher na jud sa Ati Oval.
Thank you so much, Honorable Stephen. To our new licensee.
Congrats! We're done! Dayansky, bye-bye! Kaya
Natural level na kumanta.
top notcher man siya. Rank 11.
Wala appeal.
Looking for rider.
Yes guys, nano guys? Hey guys.
Oh my God. Balik na to.
Uli na siya.
Si JV. Si JV mahabilin kay.
Box baka nag-helmet ang Max.
Oh ha, nadungog sa video mabaho daw helmet ang mga taga. Take note taga. Tingog si JV. Ikaw na rin niya release na dapat iyahang helmet bago na Evo.
Tutungat yun. Tara, please, Bella.
Hi! Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa Cubao. Pip, pip, pip. Pip, pip, pip. Dance sa isang araw. You dance sa isang araw. Isang araw. Awa. You talk to the camera.
1, 2, isang araw.
Hello! What are you doing here? What do you want? You want?
Smells na natin.
Wait, wait, wait.
Smile ni Papa Be.
Is it yummy? Ano? Siana. Where are you going?
Nag-comment sila, buwag na sila. Buwag sila. Hindi mo lang yun.
What did you say? Thanks lang.